Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I would like to welcome you to my luxury closet 529, a place where not everything is luxurious, but a lot of it is luxurious to me. And here I like to share some of those luxuries with you. Lately, I have been doing less videos. I'm doing 1 or 2 a month, although I did completely miss the month of May by just a little bit. That's okay though. I have been keeping very busy, and that is part of the reason why my videos have come less frequently. But when I do a video, I tend to pack a lot into it. So make sure you are subscribed and make sure to like this video to help promote it in the YouTube algorithm so that whenever I do release a new video that you are one of the first to know. So today's video is going to be a triple threat. I have a couple of items for sale. I have a couple of items to unbox from Dress Up Your Purse, and then the finale will be a Chanel unbagging. And I've had it for a little bit, but what I've been doing is I've been kind of selling a few pieces that I'm not using because of a video I recently watched that was talking about certain Chanel bags that just don't hold their value that well. And I have discovered that that is true, and there were a few that I always liked, and those are the ones I am picking up. I've already showed you the Chanel 19 that my husband got for me for our 20-year anniversary. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. But today I have another one to show you, and after this I still have 1 or 2 more that I will be showing you, I hope. Also, I still have a Louis Vuitton bag I haven't shown you. So we have lots of future content coming down the way, but today we're going to focus on the vlog sale, the Dress Up Your Purse bags, and one of those Chanel bags. So let's get to it. The 2 bags I have for sale, I'm going to start with my Louis Vuitton Odeon Tote PM. And this is a gorgeous bag. I have used it. It is extremely functional. It has virtually no wear. The corners look great. And I will take and send as many pictures as you want. The canvas is squishy gushy. It comes with the luggage tag. I have the strap that was made for it. If you don't want the strap, I will charge you less. I am changing my price as I'm editing the video, as I'm walking. It's $15.50 with the strap. I'm not gonna do the without the strap option because I realized that when I originally purchased it, it came with the wrong strap that I was able to sell and replace by ordering the strap that I have directly from Louis Vuitton. So it's $15.50 with the strap. Let's get into it just a little bit so you can see what's inside. I consider this to be a bag that's slightly smaller than the Speedy 25, but the mouth of the bag opens so much more. It comes with a Zoomoni insert, which I believe retails for around $80. So it's one of their silky ones. It has lots of pockets. It's got the perfect pocket configuration where you can put card holders on each side. And inside the bag, there's a long pocket and then 2 smaller card holder size pockets. I have made this bag a little bit more girly by dressing it up with a Next Fashion chain, and I will link Next Fashion and my discount code as well as Zoomoni and my discount code down below. They're affiliate codes. If you use them, it really helps me, but if you don't, no worries. If you do end up buying this bag and you want the chain, it's all yours. And here is how it rests on me. I think it is a very, very sleek bag. It hugs the body really well, and it has a really great capacity. So if you want to pick up this bag at a great price below retail, reach out to me through my email or DM me on Instagram. The contact information is always down in my description box. That is the best way to get a hold of me. The second bag that I'm letting go is my Saint Laurent Baby Niki in the Storm color. This is a beautiful charcoal gray, and it does have the tonal plate on the front, which makes it very neutral. It has the ruthenium colored hardware, which with the facets on the chain sparkles quite beautifully. It has a great big back pocket that you can fit a phone into, easy peasy. And then on the inside, I have it all stuffed, but it does come with the N Boutique Australia base shapers, and I do have a code. It's MLC12. I'll put that down below as well. If you'd like to pick up some base shapers for a bag that you already have, I absolutely love that company. But here it is. It has a lot more capacity than you would think for such a little bag. So let's do a quick spin. I want to show you the corners. I am really anti-corner wear, and so I keep my bags as pristine as possible. And so far as I know, neither one of these two bags has corner wear. This bag retails for around $3,000 and I'm asking $1,550 for it. I paid $2,000 for it. So it's a great deal if you are wanting to pick one of these up. It is super comfortable on the shoulder, and I didn't mention before, but I am 5'8" and I'm about 135 pounds. I've lost some weight. You can see it has a really generous drop. It hits me down below my hip bone, which is right here. And so it is just a super comfy, easy to use bag. Great for grab and go. If you don't want to have something very heavy, it's very lightweight and easy to use. Both of these two bags will come with a dust bag, and I may have the booklet that comes with this. If I do, I will include that as well. All right, now on to the dress up your purse reveal. I'm super excited because this one, it is my boys' school colors, and it's one of her hot new items. It is the Key Cube in ice blue, and I just think this is adorable. I believe it's in her Togo leather, and it's really adorable. You can clip it to one of your other bags or a belt loop if you want. And it's lined in this beautiful pop of Tiffany blue. It has this little holder for your keys if you want to attach your key fob to it and create more space inside for kind of some daily essentials like lip gloss. Let me go ahead and peel this off. Or smaller items such as tweezers or nail clippers, or just essentials you might want to keep on hand in your handbag or clipped on the outside of your handbag. So that is the new Key Cube, and just for size reference, here it is in the palm of my hand. This is the one I'm super excited about. This is the collaboration I did with Melodie Cecile. I love the Louis Vuitton Turtle Dove color. I have a bag in that color. It's actually right here. It is my Trianon PM in the bi-color. And so Melodie and I worked on developing a very similar color for the Paris 15 and the Petite Paris 15. And so here is the Petite Paris 15 in the taupe shade, which is very, very similar to Louis Vuitton's Turtle Dove. I went through several different leather samples with Melodie to end up on this one, and I think it is such a beautiful shade. I actually prefer the Paris 15s, the Petite Paris 15s to the Pochette Métis and the Pochette Métis East West by Louis Vuitton, because I just feel like, especially the full-size version has a slimmer profile than the Louis Vuitton version, and it just feels like sturdier to me. The way that it's tucked in on the top, like the pleats, it just feels more buttoned up, I guess you could say. And the leather is amazing. The Le Petit comes with a snapping strap, and so you can adjust it to a few different lengths, but the Piece de la Resistance is the strap that I collaborated with Melodie on and selected to go with the shade of leather on this bag. Now, is that not a match made in heaven? I think it's so beautiful. Also notice the updated lock. It says Melodie Cecile, which is the new branding, and this is a stainless steel lock. The hardware on these bags I have found to be very durable. They are super well made. I think I said that before. Am I a broken record or what? But when it's true, you just got to keep saying it. So here it is. I think that this bag is just so adorable and so nice to wear when you're looking for that lighter weight, grab and go, comfy bag to bring with you for a day out where you need just enough but not the kitchen sink. So now my original Paris 15 has a little sister, so that depending on how much I need for the day, I can pick one of these two. And I tend to prefer the straps that have the holes in them versus the snapping system. So I may use the strap that came with this on this one. But what's really cool about the snapping strap is you can adjust it to a shoulder length. And I think that this size bag looks really cute on the shoulder as well. So I find that when I'm using one of these straps, I shorten it all the way, and you just snap it on each end, like so. And does that not look super nice as a shoulder bag? I love the strap that comes with the tree on, but I can totally use this strap on this bag as well if I wanted to carry this bag as a shoulder bag too. So I am glad to have a different variation of the leather strap because it makes all three of these bags that much more versatile. So here is the big reveal for the day. I mean, the others were big reveals too because that collaboration has been in the works for a while. So I may say that I have two big reveals in this particular episode, but I did pick up a Chanel boy bag from Yugi's Closet. I have not used it. I have had it for probably at least a month, and it popped up for like half off or more on Yugi's, and it is in brand new condition. I think it is so lovely. It has the crumpled calfskin and the chevron with the braided chain detail around the edges. It has the lovely silver or the ruthenium hardware. It's just ever so slightly aged, but not to the same extent as the hardware on my Saint Laurent bags that are the aged hardware. And I replaced my Sharon Blue Saint Laurent Collage bag essentially with this bag, and I did have to pay a little more than what I sold that bag for, of course, but it ended up being about $1,000 more than what I sold that bag for. So that wasn't too bad considering I came out of the deal with a Chanel bag in a very similar color, and with the hardware being shiny, I feel like I can dress it up just a little more. But because of the leather being sort of this crinkled look, I feel like it can dress down as well. And I love this shade of blue. So the boy bag is very comfortable on the shoulder, as you can see. And this is in the old medium size. There is a new medium size. And here's where it hits me crossbody, adjusted the way that it was when it came. And I think that this is just perfect. I think that the old medium size is about 10 inches or slightly less across, but the new medium size is closer to 11 inches. So for me, I think this size works just a little better, but I'm not sure as I've never actually seen the other in person. Now, Zoomoni was generous and they did gift me an insert to put inside of this beauty. So as we get inside, I'm also going to unwrap the insert that they sent. This bag did not come with a dust bag, but that dust bag that I showed you just a moment ago, it was from the Gucci bag, the emerald green Gucci bag that I bought a long time ago from Bestier Collective, and I have since sold. The person who sold me that sent me a Chanel dust bag, which is like perfect. It fit this bag wonderfully. Now I did get the authenticity card, which I love. They have a new chip system, and I'm not as crazy about the chip system as the older way with the authenticity cards. It just makes it harder, I think, for the layperson to authenticate or get the bags authenticated. You can't just scan the Chanel chips with your NFC Tools app like you can do with Louis Vuitton chips. And I guess that makes it harder for the counterfeiters to counterfeit as well. But if you don't live close to a Chanel store, it's kind of hard to get your items scanned. I do appreciate entropy certificates from resellers because Entropy, I believe, is able to scan those chips. So the inside is nice and spacious. Here is the Zoomoni insert that I chose. Again, one of their silky ones. And it does have the 2 pockets on the inside on each side, and that is the perfect configuration for me. I sound like a broken record again. Now the silky inserts come in a cream, they come in a black, they come in a brown, which is this one, and they come in a pink. I really wasn't certain which one to choose for this bag, so I went with the brown because I thought it might kind of play off of the silver hardware. And I think it looks pretty nice, and it's gonna keep my bag very clean. So there she is with the organizer inside. It gives it a little bit more structure. And Boutique has also generously agreed to send me a base shaper for this bag, so stay tuned for a future video when I will show that, as well as the next Chanel reveal, which I have, but I haven't showed you quite yet. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to reach out and purchase one of the 2 bags that I have for sale, either the Saint Laurent Niki bag at $15.50, which is around half off of retail, or the Odeon Tote PM. So again, it is $15.50 with the strap. The chain is included either way, and so is the insert. Feel free to reach out to me through my email or DM me on Instagram. Again, the contact information is down below. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ and myluxurycloset529. You can also email me at myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.